What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. We're going to be doing some more MX build TikTok ratings. See what you guys think about these ratings. Let me know what you would rate these quads in the comments below. We're going to be going through a handful of quads. These are all pretty much MX builds, motocross builds, custom builds. Going to rate them. Remember, average is 5, so if it's just par for the course, it's going to be somewhere in the 5 range. The more wow factor they have, higher the rating. Let's get to it. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button. Comments are always welcome, and we've got memberships available. The best way to help support the channel, memberships and likes. Bell notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. Alright, starting off, we've got a YFZ 450 with roll design front end. Looks like long travel. Elka Stage 5s. Nothing really special about the build, though. Just front end and bead locks in the rear. No bead locks in the front. No graphics kit. Not really that impressed. Yeah, this is bare minimum. So bead locks, front suspension, didn't even show motor work or rear end or any of that stuff. Said love a clean YFZ 450 MX build. This is as minor and minuscule as you can get. I mean, we'll throw this one. I mean, average. It's below average. It doesn't even have graphics kit or numbers. So 4. We're starting out strong. We'll give this one a 4. Next, LTZ 400. What's this thing gonna look like? Wow. That's a nice build. Custom seat, graphics, control arms, all kinds of little goodies. Bead locks front and rear. Powder coated swing arm. Impressive build. Yeah. Suspension, motor work, exhaust. Yeah, that's a good build. We'll give that one a 7.5. Probably a GNCC build. Very nice build. Still going on. This is the kind of video I like. It's got all kinds of details in it. Oh. Another YFZ build. Elka's arms. Walsh arms. Good deal. Bead locks. Mud plugs on the outside. No mud plugs on the inside. RP exhaust. Kind of funny. Neat little bling pieces. Okay. Hinson top. Ooh. Good exhaust also. Alright. This one's got some good stuff on it. This one's got some lots of good stuff on it. Yep. Ooh, even the Masters aftermarket. Looks like it's even got an aftermarket master on it. Either that or it's just powder coated, but yeah. Wow. Attention to detail. Okay. Very matte black, not really shiny, but very well built. I will definitely give this one 8.5, 9. 8.5. We'll go 8.5 on this one. Another 450 YFZ. Hauser arms, suspension, stock exhaust, bumper, mud plugs, bead locks. Another GNCC build. Inner mud plugs, no. Powder coated things. I mean, not a bad build. Exhaust is lacking. Probably no motor work if they don't even have exhaust work. So this is all exterior show. with factory go. 6.5. 6.5. Yep. Need to have go with that show. One-sided sprocket protector. They didn't even put the whole sprocket protector on it. What is it? Pretty. Cannibal. Oh, it's a Cannondale. Race bike with paddles? I'm confused on the tires setup. With race numbers, graphics. Elka shocks. It's a very clean build. But I don't understand the tires with the race numbers. You're not GNCC racing this thing with paddles and Razorbacks. Okay, we'll go with A. It's a decent build. Over par for the course. Got some extra goody blingies on it. 7.5. 7.5. And for the last one, we're looking at a DS 450 build. Mud plugs on the outside. I don't see... Is that aftermarket exhaust? Lone Star front end. Hoses. Extra cooler. Go back here. Okay, so we've got an extra cooler on the cooling lines. Graphics all over the place. Can't quite tell if that's aftermarket exhaust or not. Good build. Good build. We'll go with another 7.5, 7.75. Missing bead locks on the front. Okay, we're missing bead locks on the front. Exterior bead locks on the rear. All right, we'll go to 6.5. 7. We'll go to 7 on this. We'll be nice. 7 because of all the goodies it's got on it, but they skimped on some things. So, pretty close. Not full build, but really close. Lots of cool goodies. All right, guys. If you made it to the end of the video, go ahead and throw an 80 down in the comments below. Appreciate everybody sticking around. If you stuck around that long, go ahead, think about hitting that subscribe button, bell notification, comment. Always welcome to comment. Whatever you think, let me know what you thought about the ratings. And if you really want to support the channel, memberships are available. Have a great one. Share the video around to your friends. I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great day.